Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of video editing and motion graphics as we compare two powerhouse software, Adobe After Effects and Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a seasoned professional deciding on your next tool, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's start. First up, let's talk about Adobe After Effects. It's a staple in the industry, known for its robust features in motion graphics and visual effects. After Effects is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, making it seamlessly integrated with other Adobe software like Premiere Pro and Photoshop. Some key features include motion graphics. After Effects excels in creating stunning motion graphics and animation. Its powerful animation tools and extensive library of presets make it a go-to for designers and animators. Next up is visual effects. When it comes to visual effects, After Effects offer a wide array of effects and plugins. It's the choice for compositing, green screen work, and adding that extra wow factor to your videos. Third is integration with Adobe ecosystem. The integration with other Adobe products is a significant advantage. If you're already using Premiere Pro for video editing, the workflow between the two is seamless, allowing for efficient project management. Now, let's shift our focus to Davinci Resolve. This software has gained immense popularity, especially among filmmakers and colorists. DaVinci Resolve has both free and paid versions, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Some key features include color grading. One of DaVinci Resolve's standout features is its advanced color grading capability. It's an industry leader in this aspect, making it the top choice for professionals who prioritize color accuracy and precision. Next is video editing. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful video editing software in its own right. It supports multi-camera editing, audio post-production, and offers an impressive set of editing. Third is Fusion for VFX. Similar to After Effects, DaVinci Resolve has Fusion, a dedicated module for visual effects. It might not have as extensive a library as After Effects, but it's a solid choice for VFX work. So, the big question, After Effects or DaVinci Resolve? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're heavily invested in the Adobe ecosystem, After Effects is a natural choice. Its seamless integration with other Adobe software streamlines your workflow. On the other hand, if color grading is a top priority and you want a comprehensive all-in-one solution, DaVinci Resolve might be the better fit. In the end, both After Effects and DaVinci Resolve are powerful tools with their own strengths. Consider your workflow, the type of projects you're working on, and your personal preferences before making a decision. Feel free to try out both softwares and which one aligns better with your creative process. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video, and if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.